Hello everyone, so today I'm going to teach you on how to increase FPS in your Roblox mobile. So open your Roblox and click any game you want. So I'm just going to click on this random game right over here and play this. So once I've entered this game, I'm just going to, click on the Roblox button which is right in the top left, and then I have to go to my settings. Just going to press this. So once I'm on my setting, I'm going to go to my settings and scroll down till I find the graphic one. So see over here in your graphic, quality, make sure that you minimize it. I know it sounds weird, but once you've minimized the graphic quality, your FPS will increase. So that is how you can, easily go ahead and increase your FPS. So you can find your game to be more smoother than what it was before. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching.